Hello everyone, welcome back to Techwiden. Today we are going to explore how we can prevent an instance from accidental termination. By default, when an EC2 instance is stopped or terminated, the shutdown behavior is set to stop for instances launched from the AMI that have the default shutdown behavior. This means that the instance will be stopped or paused instead of being terminated. So when stop the instance, retain its metadata, private IP address, and any attached elastic block store volume. And you can start the instance again later and it will resume from where it left off. But in the termination, it will terminate all your database and the packages which you installed in your instances. So prevention of termination of instances is an important in most of the scenarios. So this is a short video, and to prevent the instance, let us create an instance and check the option. Go to the AWS console first and the launch instance. Just click on launch instance. Put the name of your instance. Let me put demo instance termination. Choose the AMI. Amazon Linux is good to go. G2 Micro is free tier eligible. In key pair, let me choose proceed without a key pair. Put your networking and security on default mode and click on advanced setting. So in advanced setting, we have an option of termination protection. Let me choose it. So there are two options, enable and disable. If I choose enable, then I cannot terminate my instance. So let us choose the enable. Everything is fine and click on launch instance. It will hardly take 1 minute. Click on view all instances. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to fully initialize. Let me expand the name. Refresh it. Select the instance and click on instance state. Now we have three options of stop, reboot and termination. So click on terminate instance. Click on terminate now. Now you can see our instance is protected from the termination. So this option basically useful when accidentally we delete one of our important instances in spite of others. So it's a kind of a protection of our workload and data. But let me change their protection. Click on the action. Click on instance setting. And then change termination protection. And simply uncheck the enable option and save it. And this time we can easily terminate our instance. So this was a short video, and that's it from today. In our next tutorial, we will explore some more topics. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Techwiden. Thank you.